Welcome to Tabor Teachers. Glad to have you. Step this way.
Welcome. Enter. You'll be greeted by our staff, and you will receive a little goodie bag as a small appreciation token from us.
Lots of beautiful things. Of course, like any other store, you can find about anything you want seasonally, but also everyday decor. But one of the things we take a lot of pride in is our custom making unique pieces for our customers, and they come from all over, and we ship all over the United States to get these unique pieces. So come on, let's go check out and see what some of these designers are doing. Cameron is one of our designers here at Tabor Teachers. He does everything from bows, wreaths, floral designs, anything you want, even custom mantle designs, wall designs. But right now he's making lots of our beautiful bows, and as you can see, they are gorgeous. They are drop dead gorgeous. And each bow is a unique piece of art, as we say. And our ribbon selection is huge. Behind this wall are thousands and thousands and thousands of different ribbon choices to have, from anywhere from a lower grade, which is basic, or as high up as you want to go, from Italian ribbons or jewels. When you come to visit us and you opt in to make a particular item to take back with you, or for us to ship back with in our shipping department, we do offer the candle rings that you hand make. We hand make all these in house. The famous bead grass originated here with us, and I will tell you this, about 3 years ago, we had the fall colors. Terry's holding the fall bead grass wreaths here. That was really a big hit this year. She's holding a medium size. We have the everyday green that people come and just change the bows out. This is an option that would make, this is a smaller size, which holds a good sized bow as well. And like we said, they're real sturdy and handmade on this grapevine wreath, not a plastic foam or not a hay foam that will tear up after one season. So that's a biggie to us too. And we also offer you guys in some of the packages, one a little bit larger than this. We call it the window wreath. They sold out like crazy, so I don't have one to show you here, but we do custom make that. Not only that, we teach you how to make it. So we do offer the round versions too. So it's just to your liking and whatever the package offers. But you will learn how to make these. You will get the supplies for that, and plus have the shopping experience of a lifetime and enjoy some good goodies on the way. One of the other options we have here are simple instructions on doing a vase arrangement. It seems so simple sometimes to us if you do it every day, but to someone else it might be very difficult or just a task they cannot tackle. So one of the things might be a price range of vases from anywhere from, $8 up, and then some of the different stems. We have such a large selection of stems for every season, for every reason, and we also carry the Real Touch that looks real of our Norfolk, and then some of our other pieces. And we always tell, start with a grid, start with your main piece and put it there and get it ready for it, whether you use Oasis or not. And if you don't know what that is, you would learn. And then you also then add your color or whatever you want to do with that. And then of course, it's a little more detailed than that. You would get more instruction than that, but you get the gist. We have so much to offer and how to make something really pretty and take your vase for every season to another level. One thing we need to share, that you bring the guys on these trips. We have lots of our husbands, our fellows, even coming without wives, and what they want to see are things that we offer them. So for the workshops, we have and we are lined up to offer some little sessions on antiquing and restoring, and how to research and see what pieces are worth, if it's worth picking, is it diamond in the rough. So we are offering some of that, and then you get to see some of those unique finds. And also, my husband's even involved in this. He is an avid sports collector, so he has a very, very unique sports collection. So if you're into that, that might be something you want to consider, and we can combine those at the same time. Some might be antiquing, some might be collecting. Either way, it's a great thing for the guys. And last but not least, come on down, see us at Tabor Teachers. When you come, you won't regret it. Not only will you learn a trade, you might even start a small business in your 60s. That's us. So come see us, and we'd love to treat you and wine and dine you and teach you some new tricks and enjoy a unique treasure of shopping.
Yeah, so talk to your tour group. Stop on your way to the beach.
Yep.
We're right off of 410 and 701, Highway 9. So all the roads lead here to Two Boat Teachers.
Absolutely.
Or on your way out of town, when you're going back home, stop and shop. Thank y'all.